Hello everyone, and I'm back again today with this new video. And in this video today, let's talk about job search. So if you are a fresh college graduate and recently going to graduate or graduated recently and you are looking for your new job, I know like I have talked to few freshers, and they told me about like their insecurities, like as a fresher who is going to hire me, and how to land to their dream job or how to search for the first job. So let's talk about that today. So if you are a fresher and even experienced, and if you are someone looking for a job right now, first thing you need is an updated LinkedIn profile. Nowadays, recruiter go to your LinkedIn profile and get the most information about you, like what you do, what are your skills, and obviously the very first thing is resume. And you should have, like, whenever you are applying for any role, if you are looking for a job, and you should make sure like your resume and your skill sets aligns with what's there in the job description of the company where you are interested in applying. So first thing, your resume has to be aligned with the job description. When I say that, means if you are a fresher, if you didn't do any internship, you must have done some projects in your coursework. And for example, you are applying for a data engineering role to some XYZ company, and your resume must showcase all the projects that you might have done during your coursework with the subjects that you took, that might be visual analytics or database systems or knowledge discovery in databases. So you must have done some projects, and those projects must talk about the skills and how you applied your knowledge in that project, how you came up with the project. And also you can do some online boot camps or courses, and that will also help you to learn about how the industrial project works. So you can include all that information in your resume. And another thing is, like, you must keep your LinkedIn updated, and it's really a good idea that if you find something relevant to the job search you are doing, some information, do post regularly. So people notice that if you post something regularly on LinkedIn, and they definitely if your activity is good and related to what you are looking for, you might be seen by some recruiter, or they might get interested, they might contact you directly. If you have a very good LinkedIn profile, that is a good start. And coming to the job search websites, uh, first, like, I have always landed all my jobs to all the companies I work for. I always search from LinkedIn. And what I used to do is, I used to apply for the jobs from the LinkedIn, as well as I used to go to the career website of that company. And one more thing I used to do is, I was always excited about working at Fortune top 100 companies or top 50 or so sometimes. So I just Google about them, because sometimes there are really very good companies and we don't know about them. Because in today's world, there are really very great companies out there, and sometimes you don't know their name. So and sometimes they don't post their jobs on LinkedIn like most companies do today, but sometimes they have that job available on their career site. So it's always a good idea that you apply on the careers web page, and also do like search for the company on Forbes top 100 companies, or Fortune, like, sorry, I mean Fortune top companies. And in that space, like, if you are interested in working for a company that really has a great work culture, you can look for the companies, you can Google about them, like what are the top companies. Now Google also has job search, which helps you to find like give a list of companies that are looking for candidates, so you can go there. And always remember one thing, like what I have noticed, like few individuals who are fresher, they think that we don't have work experience, how we are gonna surprise, will we able to complete our project, how we are going to. So always remember that everybody was fresher once, and they, wherever they are today, they also started their journey as a fresher. And when I remember, when I was a fresher, I too had the same insecurities. I felt like how I'm going to do my project, what I have to do. But you always learn along the way, and trust me, whoever is at whatever position, no matter at what level they are, they're always learning, and they too have that same feeling that will be able to do good in this project. Are we did I do well for this project? Will I be promoted? So don't worry, just be chill, and like just don't worry too much about that. Just apply for your dream role and keep, and always, and if you might have got so many rejections, so don't feel disheartened that oh god, I'm not gonna get any job, I got so many rejections. So remember, keep your resume updated, keep your LinkedIn profile updated, always learn for what's there in tech space, what is the latest. Always keep your skills updated, always learn something new, what's new in their market, and be good at it. And definitely you will get, you just need that one company that has the job description that matches your skill set, that right company. Until then, just keep applying. Don't feel sad that okay, my friends are into FANG or whatever and they are doing so well, but I didn't get anywhere. So I understand that it happens sometimes to some candidates. It's okay. It's worth waiting. You must try, you must keep learning. And the next thing you can do is, if you are graduating, try to start applying early. Like if you are graduating in 6 months, start applying before that. But if you graduated and you are applying after that, that's okay. Like you can start at any time, and it's always a good idea to learn new technologies, and have some practice some projects at your own, and talk about those projects or post about those projects, add those certifications to your LinkedIn. So this will like make more recruiters, like you can. And also there is like open to job, open to work tag, have that on your LinkedIn, so many people can see your they when recruiters are searching you, you might show up in their list. So it's always a good idea. And coming to choosing a field, that because you might if you are graduating from a computer science background, you might have worked on diverse project, different subjects. So it doesn't matter like which field you choose. What really matters is you have to be good at it. Like whatever you do, whatever subject, whatever field, just be best at it. And that can only be possible by learning more, by reading more. You can do your work best by having more knowledge in that field, and that you can earn by, like, there are so many resources available today, so many lots of free resources. You can learn using YouTube, or like journals and articles, books. So always keep yourself updated, and yeah, keep searching until you find your dream job. Thank you. Let me know in comment sections if you have any question, you need any guidance. I will try my best to answer all of those. Yeah, thank you.